That's going. There you go. Yeah, we're gonna have to get them sleds out of there. They're gonna be buried.
We'll never get them out then.
A lot of snow piling up in front of them.
Somehow we gotta lift them up into the snow now. Because they need enough to glide up.
Blizzard of 2021. February 1st.